Hello guys. So, I'll show you how to prepare my bait. This is the one I buy in Lulu, in City Center. This type of kubus. Yes, this one. New one kubus. Fresh. This type of kubus I use. See? Very soft. So I crush it, put it in the bowl like this. This is how I prepare my bait. Okay. Yes. Okay. See? Yes. And I mix with water. You control the water. First small, yes, and make like this until it will coming soft and tender. So this is it. Okay, thank you.